Meaning of full-grown.
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 Full-grown. The term full-grown refers to someone or something that has reached its maximum size or maturity. When applied to humans, it implies that the individual is no longer a child and has completed their growth cycle, often reaching their full adult height in physical development. Full-grown animals, on the other hand, have reached their full size and physical abilities. This term can also be used to describe plants or crops that have reached their maximum size and are ready for harvesting. Overall, full-grown implies a state of completion or maturity in terms of physical growth.